Some people might see me as an overnight success. Pero I'm sure marami sa inyo dito ang nakakaalam that to survive and thrive in this ruthless world of business is not easy. Lalo na kung wala kang pera at wala kang koneksyon. I am rich, R-E-A-C-H, pero I wasn't born rich. I was a call center employee for 4 years who decided to change my fate and started a company. Lahat nagsimula sa pangarap lang. 11 years ago, we couldn't even afford an office. Kaya yung crazy ideas namin and business plans, believe it or not, binuo lang namin sa garahe ng aming bahay. Garaheng walang kotse, pero punong-puno ng sinampay. Ang meron lang kami, vision, lakas ng loob, at kapal ng mukha. And during those times, calling myself CEO felt like a scam to me because I couldn't even afford to buy a decent suit. We didn't own a single product when we started. We were just resellers. Maraming pagkakataon na sinubok kami. Una, pinutulan kami ng supply ng barley grass ng isang malaking company na hindi na namin papangalanan. I felt so powerless. Parang sinampal ako ng kahirapan noong time na yun. Pero sabi ko, balang araw, magkakaroon din kami ng sariling brand. Kaya doon kami lalong nagpursige. A year after that, in 2014, Salvia Barley Grass was born. Sobrang excited namin, pero that didn't last long. Dahil yung PO namin na 3,000 pieces, inabot ng 2 years, hindi namin mapaubos. Kaya kesa mag-expire, ayun, pinamigay na lang namin. So, yung first attempt namin, failed. Pero the good news is, may mga gumaling. May mga natulungan kaming tao dun sa mga nabigyan ng near expiry na Salvio. Yung isa meron siyang rare at incurable disease na polycythemia vera. Sabi niya Salvio daw yung nagpagaling sa kanya. Yung isa naman maatake na daw dapat siya sa puso. Hindi natuloy kasi nag-take siya ng Salvio. Parang ako mismo na-amaze. Sabi ko, wow. Sabi ko kahit lugi, hindi tayo pwedeng mag-stop. Because hearing their life-saving stories, ito yung nagbigay sa akin ng reason to keep going. From then on, I made it our mission to continue saving people's lives with our Salvia Barley Grass product. But again, sinubok na naman kami ng pagkakataon. Inagawan kami ng supplier ng isang kilalang tao, pero hindi ko na ulit papangalanan. Muli, nasampal na naman kami ng kahirapan. But it was a blessing in disguise. Because of that, I found a better supplier that made Salvia Barley Grass into a best-selling product that it is today. Nagpatuloy pa rin kami kahit hirap makipag-compete sa mga well-funded brands. And then pandemic happened. Kung saan yung pinakamalaking shipment namin that time, na-lockdown din sa customs. No connection, kaya goodbye products na. Mga bills namin, nag-pile up, nabaon sa utang, kabi-kabila, mga collections tumatawag sa amin. We're on the verge of losing everything. It was the scariest part of my life. Kasi buti sana kung ako lang. Pero I have employees and distributors na umaasa sa akin. Kaya sabi ko, Rish, hindi ka pwedeng sumunod. I need to be the source of strength of my people. So kahit baon sa utang, nangutang ako ulit so we could start all over again. And you know the first thing I did? I retrained my people. Pero not on skills, on mindset. Sabi ko sa kanila, bawal negative sa office. Dahil from a pandemic, sobrang daming negative vibrations in the office. So sabi ko, positive vibes lang tayo. We turned our fears and doubts into hope. We converted our resentment to gratitude. May papasok na pera, thank you. May lalabas na pera, thank you pa rin. At yung frustration namin, pinalitan namin ng excitement for what is coming. Sabi ko, when you hit rock bottom, there's no way but up. Sa una kasi, di ba, yung bida talaga, sa una binubugbog. Para you can learn and you can find your strength. At dahil bugbog na kami, sabi ko, guys, it's a sign. Dapat excited tayo because something great is going to happen. And then, we started dreaming once again. And boom, Yung dating 3,000 pieces na inabot kami ng 2 years, di namin mapaubos, naging 1 month sales na lang namin. That was in 2022. Pero iba na ngayon. Yung 3,000, 1 day sales na lang, minsan kulang pa. Truly, nothing is impossible basta maniwala lang na kaya mo. Now, I'm proud to say that we have more than 200 employees, our own 2-story building in Pampanga. We have 8 company-owned branches, plus 8 more in progress na i-open this year, including our first international branch in Singapore. We have already served 1 million plus customers at the same time. So, ganun na rin karami yung natulungan namin in terms of their health. And we have also created more than 40 millionaires na among our distributors. And we continue to pay the blessings forward to our employees, to our community. Just like me, I'm sure you also have your own stories to tell. Hindi madali maging boss, hindi madali magpatakbo ng kumpanya, hindi madali maging leader. It takes not just guns, but a lot of grit to stay in the game. So my respect goes to every entrepreneur and leader who are here today, and to all the leaders out there, entrepreneurs who are both struggling and successful. Saludo po ako sa inyo. You all deserve to be celebrated.